everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a unboxing of the January BOXYCHARM. Woo! So as usual, it looks like this, and when you open it up, this month is Rock and Roll Soul. Alright, so the first thing we got in here is by Crown Cosmetics, and it's their Glam Metals palette. It's really mini. It's cute. It's really cute actually, and these are the shades. They're nice, but I do think I have a lot of shades like this, so it's possible this could be in a giveaway. Keep an eye out on that. And this retails for $25. The next thing is by Pure Cosmetics. I love Pure Cosmetics, and it is a Bronze and Brighten palette, it says. And wow, these are gorgeous. I think that's supposed to be a bronzer. So this is supposed to be a bronzer, this is a highlighter, and this is a blush. This bronzer is extremely glowy, so I don't really know how that's going to be a bronzer. Maybe if you're looking for just like one of those glowy looks, I don't know. But they're really pretty shades actually, and it's swatched gorgeous. I really like this, and I'm going to give this a try for sure. And this retails for $34. The next thing in here is by IT Cosmetics, and it is their brow power, and it looks like this. I've never tried this before, but it's IT Cosmetics, so I'm sure it's amazing, and I'm definitely going to be trying that out. And that retails for $24. The next thing in here is by Girlatic. And it is a matte lip paint, and it looks like this. It's a pretty mauve shade, and I always like mauve shades, and that retails for $23. And the last thing in here, which I think is the best thing ever, it is by Dr. Brand Pores No More Illuminizing Primer. I have used the Dr. Brand Pores No More, the other one, and I really love it. I used all of it up though, and these are actually really expensive, so I never repurchased, but this one's the illuminizing one, and I'm really excited. And this retails for $38. I feel like every time I'm finished, I feel like I went through that so fast, and I did. There's no more products, so let's go in and calculate everything. And my phone is huge. My phone's huge because I drop it all the time. So let's go in and calculate everything as usual. So this box retails for $144. I feel like every month it just keeps getting more and more. So that is incredible. As usual, I paid $21 for this box. It is a monthly subscription if you guys didn't know, but I'm sure you guys know. And that all these products retail for $144. That is, I feel like I always say that is incredible. But it is incredible. It's so amazing. $144, and I only paid $21. I mean, you really can't beat that. So that is everything in January's BOXYCHARM. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. I will see you all in my next video.